In this video, I'm going to be going through some of the advanced features of our whiteboard. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out the video tutorial on YouTube that goes through the basics of our whiteboard. Some advanced features of our whiteboard include hotkeys, changing our whiteboard to different graphs and changing it to a black whiteboard, zooming in and out, and we're also going to show you a bit of our resource drawer. So stay tuned. So I'm going to be going through hotkeys first, and the first thing you should notice is with your mouse, if you scroll the mouse wheel up and down, you'll see that your whiteboard is zooming in and out, and that's pretty straightforward. If you hold shift while also using the mouse roller, your whiteboard will shift up and down like so. To shift your whiteboard in all directions, hold right click on your mouse and click and drag, and you'll see your whiteboard pan around to whatever content you have on your whiteboard. Now going up to our shape tool and selecting rectangle, if you hold Control on your keyboard, click and drag with your mouse, you'll see that we are drawing an equilateral shape. This works for any of our shapes on our whiteboard. This also works for any images on your whiteboard. Now, with our draw tool, we often draw freehand, but we also often want to draw straight lines. So to do that, we hold Control on our keyboard like before, we click, Control, and you can see that there's a dashed line that appears, and if you click again, it will draw that straight line. To get these hotkeys working on Mac, just replace Control with the Command key. Our next extremely useful tool is Video Snapshot, which allows you to instantly take a snapshot of yours or a student's video stream. This can be extremely useful. For example, if your student has written something down that you wish to see, they can simply hold up a piece of paper and you can take a snapshot, which will automatically upload to the whiteboard you are on. You can now move around the image and annotate the image as needed. Next, we have the Change Background tool. Here you can change your whiteboard to a blackboard at the press of a button. If you need grid paper, we can choose from small, medium, or a large graph, perfect for working with units of distance or if you need to draw some straight lines. One big issue we often encounter is the whiteboard sound created is either too large or too small for your screen. We can simply click the zoom, then zoom to fit, to immediately snap the whiteboard within the dimensions of the screen window we are using, making it really easy to not get lost while you're teaching your lesson. We can also zoom in and out by using the mouse roller on your mouse or clicking the desired zoom in or out buttons. Finally, we have the resource drawer, one of our most powerful tools. When we teach on the lesson space, it can sometimes be a mission to retrieve resources from in and around your computer or around the web to fit the context of your lesson. We provide a tool that is filled with lesson-specific resources that you can add directly to your whiteboard and space. Click the resource button to get started, and from here we can choose resources from language, maths, science, and music. And even if you want to congratulate your students, we have some stickers in the other category in the resource drawer. All of these are available at the click of a button, and we are consistently adding more resources to better equip you, our teachers, to create the best lesson possible. In the next video, we'll be looking at this tool in a much greater depth, so be sure to check that out. And that's it for the whiteboard. There are tons of features that you can mix together to create some really awesome lessons. And again, check out the resource drawer video for some more info on our ever expanding resource drawer tool. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.